In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a calendar to Framer, a powerful and flexible design tool. To kickstart our process, we will need to find a suitable calendar component. For this purpose, you can utilize the Framer Marketplace, a rich reservoir of diverse components to meet your specific needs. You could opt for the CalGet Add to Calendar plugin, which is a widely used tool due to its straightforward functionality. But if you're looking for something elite, do not hesitate to explore premium options available from Foo Design. Once you have selected a component that best suits your requirements, the next step in our tutorial is the installation process. To do this, you must make a purchase or add the free component to your Framer project. It's a simple process that usually involves clicking on the Purchase or Add button, depending on whether it's a paid or free component respectively. You will want to do this carefully to ensure you have the right component for your project. With the right component installed in your Framer project, we proceed to the next step, that is adding the component to your canvas. This process is as seamless as adding any other element on your canvas. From your Assets panel, locate your newly installed calendar component, then drag and drop it onto your canvas. Remember to place it appropriately to maintain the aesthetic value of your design. Lastly, let's explore the exciting part of our tour, that is, the customization of your calendar component. This step allows you to personalize your calendar, tailoring its appearance and functionality to your exact preferences. Use the Properties panel, typically located on the right side of your interface, to adjust features such as colors and fonts. Through this panel, you can truly make the calendar blend in with your design, creating a harmonious and unified appearance. The Properties panel isn't just about aesthetics, though. Utilize it for more technical customizations, such as integrations with other services. This can be a game changer, especially if you're looking to have the calendar interact with other tools or platforms. And with that, you've just added and personalized a calendar in Framer. The steps are straightforward, allowing even beginners to follow without any expert guidance. So why not try it out for yourself and enjoy the dynamism and flexibility that calendars can add to your design project?